Children, you are our future, our pride and joy. We came into this world as innocent babes.
We want our children to respect all human beings regardless of skin color or religion.
We want our children to be peaceful and responsible world citizens.
The knowledge, skills and values your parents and we teachers impart on you is so that you will become successful people tomorrow.
We at Little Angel High School believe in you.
I have a dream of what I wanna be. I wanna be free. That's what my heart keeps telling me. Give me your hand. We'll find a way. The people out there, we feel the same and we help each other. I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We're from all around the world. Share the same sun, share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share our dreams. We among the stars, and we know that it's destiny. We are unity. We are unity. I do believe in destiny. It's up to me to make it into reality. Give me your hand and we'll find a way. The people out there, we feel the same and we help each other. I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We're from all around the world. Share the same sun, share the same oceans. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share our dreams. We among the stars, and we know that it's destiny. We are unity. No matter where you're from or who you are, we can find common ways to be that we are friends. Hey, we are one, but we are different. We're from all around the world. Share the same sun, share the same ocean. Oh, we are one, we are different. We're from all around the world. Share the same sun, share the same ocean. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share dreams. We among the stars, and we know that it's destiny. We are unity. We